right, so what I'm about to show you is what I taught my girls and what I did that worked for me and what I did for each and every client. And so I'm going to teach you exactly the same thing as well. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to have some fun with it. I'm going to call it a little challenge for you, all right? So this is our challenge, okay? Now, first and foremost, what we need to do is, this is the challenge, by the way. The challenge is that we need to earn more money per client because you've got a client that's booked a relaxation massage for 1 hour. Now, the challenge is to get more money per client and have that client even happier to spend more money, right? So everything always has to be, and you'll see this throughout the course, it's got to be win-win, right? More money for you and a happier client. Not only that, in this challenge, we're going to have to rebook them, and not only that, but in this challenge, it has to be the most incredible massage experience they've ever had, that they'll be raving to their friends, they'll be referring people to you, and they're going to rebook. Not a bad little challenge, wouldn't you say? Right, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it because it's exactly how we did it. And the first thing we're not going to be doing is selling them, right? Because I don't know if you've been unfortunate enough like this, but trying to say, I was in a spa where they said, now you've got to upsell them, right? Try and upsell them. Try and get this. We want more money, blah, blah, blah. You can't do that, right? Because first of all, you know, if I try to sell you to get a higher price item, you're gonna be like, yeah, I know, you're trying to. I've heard about massage therapists on cruise ships, and they poor buggers, they get told to, you know, to sell the product because they're probably getting a commission, I'm guessing. So, and all I get is people complaining to me that they went on a cruise ship once and after they're blissed out after the massage, then it's like, now it's sales time to try and get extra money from the clients. We're not doing that, right? That is not part of it because just like you, just like me, I'd hate to do it and I'd hate to be on the receiving end, like, because we're like, oh, really? Yeah, no, we don't. So first and foremost, that is not the way to do this, right? And we're not going to do that. Right, so we've got a client coming in they've booked, it's a brand new client, and they've booked a 1 hour relaxation massage, right? You charge $50 for that massage. However, on your menu, you also have a deep tissue massage that you offer at $70, and you've also got a hot stones massage at $70 as well. Now, this client's booked a 1 hour relaxation massage. Right, so how do we convert them and make them happier as well and give them the best experience? So I'll go as we get into it, the over-delivering part and what they're using of the placebo effect all throughout, but let's just baby steps at the moment. All we need to be focused on is having a happier client and more money at the moment. Right, okay, how do we do this? Right, so what would be the general scenario? Someone comes in and they get, yeah, I booked a 1 hour relaxation massage. Oh, great. All right. Come on through. What happened? Okay, so no money more per client. They come in through. That's what you commonly see, right? Just come on through. Right. Here's what you're going to do. Now, I'm, as I say, your tutor. You're working in my clinic here. So what I'm going to say to you is, and again, all through this, use words that are most comfortable for you. I'll tell you the words that I use, but you use words that are most comfortable for you. Right. So what I would say, someone says, yeah, I've come here, I booked a 1 hour relaxation massage. Okay, fantastic. So do you have any particular aches or pains, areas of stiffness, or would you just like completely relax and just completely bliss out? There's my question. Do you have any aches or pains, areas of stiffness, or would you just like to be completely relaxed? Then we wait for the answer. Right, so the answer will be one of two, right? So let's say that they say, which is your most common, they go, yeah, you know, I'm always stiff through my neck here, you know, or whatever, fill in the blank. So the areas of stiffness. So if I hear that, then what I would be doing is saying to them, okay, we can do a relaxation massage, or if you like, we could do a deep tissue massage, which allows me to get into the, now, words that you are comfortable with based on your experience, based on your qualifications. We are always going to talk about doing what's in your therapeutic wheelhouse, and so you're never deceiving, you're never lying, you're never saying anything that you can't back up, right? for example, I would say, okay, so we can do a relaxation massage, or if you like, I could do a deep tissue massage, which will help me get into the deeper levels, and I can use specific techniques to really, now, we're going to use words that are based on placebo. What are the benefits of this to the client, right? So because you sell on and I use the word sell, but on emotion. You buy things on emotion. You see yourself in that convertible car cruising down the highway. You are seeing yourself in that. Likewise with the massage, you're seeing, so if I say to you, so what we can do is a deep tissue massage, which will allow me to get into the deeper, now don't worry, it doesn't hurt or anything, won't leave you sore. Might want to say that, which we would do. So allay any fears. But we can work the deeper levels. I can use some specific techniques like acupressure, and so that we can help you decrease any knots and that stiffness that you got through your upper back. I can work on that, and I can feel with my fingers. So we can do that, and that'll really help a lot better to loosen up. So we've got that option as well. How does that sound to you? The vast majority of my clients will say, oh yeah, that, because they say like, that's what I need, right? Yeah, whatever you said, the acupressure stuff for the knots, because I've got those knots, yeah, right? They're seeing themselves getting the relief from those tension, those knots that you talked about. They can see that, so they're booking. So you didn't say, so they are happier, right? You've just gone from your 50 to your 70, more money for you for the same hour of time, and they are happier, right? Because they're going, yeah, now I'm getting this address. Not only are they getting a deep tissue massage that's going to be more beneficial, now, you know, as a massage therapist, that a deep tissue massage is going to be more beneficial. This is where it comes to you talking from your heart. Because you know, if you can get them from a relaxation to a deep tissue, it's going to be more beneficial, isn't it? Because you might do your acupressure or your myofascial release. You don't want to get too technical and lose them, but you can do specific techniques, right, that help, again, words to that effect that will loosen up, that will melt those muscles, whatever terminology you want to use, but so that will help decrease their complaint. So now it's not a generic, that first person, oh, come on with me, yeah, as just getting the cookie-cutter generic relaxation full body massage. Not you. You've personalized this now. So now that person's going, oh, this is great. Now, yeah, they're going to work on those areas that I talked about. So it's getting personalized. They're getting their own specific massage based on their complaint, right? Or just their what they said to you, right? It wasn't even a complaint. It was like, but this is great. So now you're working the areas that they talked about, or you're potentially going to. And you're going to release those areas, so they're getting benefits based on what you've just told them. So they're getting a deep tissue massage, which is going to address, so that's great, right? Not only are they going to feel relaxed, it's not going to hurt, so it's not going to make them sore, they're going to feel fantastic and release those muscles, right? So you've gone from that, and now, so they are getting the benefits. Now remember, as we go through this, what is the benefit to them? Just like you, when you, how is this going to help me, right? This is what we're going to look at. So then you're speaking to from your heart to them. You didn't have to sell them as such. You just said, yeah, this is going to be better for you because, so that's easy, isn't it? Right? You're not trying to, oh, I need to do this to get more money. What you've just done is from your heart said, yeah, this is going to be, this is going to be better for them because this deep tissue is going to help work on those areas of stiffness. Maybe you do some stretching, do specific work and that sort of thing, and they are going to be happier because it's going to deal with specific complaints, stiffness, aches and pains that they talked about. So suddenly you've just gone from your $50 relaxation massage to the $70 deep tissue. You've earned more money per client and they are even happier.